Welcome to this training video for CoreSEO. In this tutorial, we're going to be taking a look at the CoreSEO sitemap utility. Sitemaps are a critical part of an SEO strategy so that the search engines will know which of your pages you want indexed and which pages you want them to ignore. You can build a sitemap manually, or there are third-party apps out there that'll do it for you, but CoreSEO makes it easy. All you have to do is click on the sitemap button. From here, all you have to do is enter your URL and then click the button that says Generate. CoreSEO scans the website and finds all the relevant pages to be added to the sitemap. From there, you can click the Export button and save your XML file. To open a sitemap file that you've already generated, you can just click on the Open Sitemap button and select that file from your hard drive. And it'll display your sitemap information here. Then you can take that sitemap XML file and upload it to the root directory of your website. And you can do that either using the file manager in your website's control panel or using your favorite FTP client. And just add the sitemap directly to the root directory. And once you've done that, you can go to Google Search Console and navigate to the Sitemaps tab in the sidebar and just enter the location of your sitemap where you've uploaded it so that Google will have it immediately and you won't be waiting for the Google bots to crawl your website to find the sitemap. That'll just speed things up. You can also repeat this process for Bing and Yahoo. This is just one more way that CoreSEO makes SEO optimization so much easier for you and helps you to stand out above your competition. So CoreSEO's Sitemapper is a utility that makes SEO easier for you and more valuable to your clients. Thanks very much for watching.